Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. Well, it's April 1st, April Fool's Day. Maybe it's April Fool's Day for corn. We look at this report yesterday, and boy, it's amazing what kind of numbers we had seen. Whether or not you believe it or not, they're numbers that need to be traded. They're numbers that are still going to be in effect until the next, 10 days before we get the next USDA report. But we do have corn down right now about 3 cents, trying to retest yesterday's lows. We've got beans that are trying to stay positive. They're up a couple cents. And then the wheat market about unchanged this morning. That report, yes, certainly bearish on corn. 5.6 million acre increase. As we talked yesterday morning, we didn't think it'd be an acreage concern. It was going to be quarterly stocks. Well, it was every bit of an acreage problem. And then for wheat, dropping 5 million acres for wheat. That was friendly for wheat. Maybe we can see wheat strengthen up as well. But here we are. We have not even turned a wheel yet for corn. And we are making adjustments now to this market without even having anything in the ground. So be careful with that. Chances are we probably will see some kind of a recovery. But now we have to question, how high will that recovery be? Where are we going to go? What is it going to take to get this market to get excited again? It's going to take every bit of weather. Was it too much rain, too little rain, too what? How does planting pace look? And these are all issues that we're going to have to look at over the next 2 to 3 weeks. So as of right now, yes, those numbers were negative. The market is retracing and it is down. But now as we move forward, we're going to trade that report. Well, today, maybe we'll get it out of the system today. And we're going to start looking for other things. So keep that in mind. We'll see how we end up finishing. It is Friday. It is a new month, new money, new concerns for the funds. And so we need to kind of keep an eye on that as we move through the next few weeks. Looking at livestock, cattle at this point, back and forth of unchanged. Not a lot happening there. We need to watch that cash market. We've seen the futures react, and we've seen this pullback for cattle. Where will we set? Where's cash going to finish the week? And that's what we need to watch here today. Hogs, cutout values still remaining a little bit stronger this week. We've seen a pullback yet for futures, but still this April contract seems to be pretty happy right near this $70 area. Right now we're sitting at about 68.5. So we'll see what kind of reaction we get today out of hogs. Crude oil pulling back down over $1.50 right now. We've taken out support areas. We're back below that 100-day moving average. Looking at the charts, we could end up seeing crude oil continue to see this slide and maybe continue to retrace and fall a little bit more here as we go into next week. So keep an eye on that. That may have some bearing on commodities as a whole. The dollar up a little bit this morning. The stock market, stock futures right now, sitting at about 100 points lower as well. So give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day today. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next week. Take care.